I'm going to share a photo here. This is, I think this was in either Ms. Annie or Ms. Eva's classroom this past summer. This was teachers Steph and Adriana. Um, this photo is a great example of the type of organic collaboration that can happen between children that get sparked through process-oriented art making. You're going to recognize the string drawing here. These children are building this drawing together, and each one is contributing their own idea as they construct this representation together. And what I love most about this photo is that, the children embrace this task as a collective endeavor. This is like the epitome of co-learning. If you consider a process-oriented approach to art making like a journey of discovery that students and educators take together. Last week, we saw the video with Gail in the classroom and how the students were observing each other, and Gail was helping to point out discoveries that were being made, and the children were building their ideas from each other. And Gail was facilitating that without being heavy-handed in making sure that everyone was trying this or everyone was trying that. The children were making those discoveries and learning from each other. So if you approach art making as this collective endeavor, those individual discoveries, when they're freely shared with the group, others will build and expand and try them in their own ways.
Another important role we take on in this methodology is being the mediator of conversations. You're the one who guides and prompts reflective dialogue and conversations between students about their art making process. So two important, and I'm using air quotes here, rules of prompting student conversation are: one, do not interpret what the students made or made within their artwork. Like, even if there's a triangle on top of a square with two other triangles glued on front of it and a rectangle, do your best to try and not project a house, get them to solicit that. Let's see, where was I? Sorry. And then two, avoid making value judgments or statements like it's pretty or that's beautiful, because projecting this type of meaning or that type of praise, despite feeling positive in the moment, actually shuts down opportunities for reflection or conversation, while reinforcing hierarchies that are not only dated but counterproductive to this social constructivist model that we're working with. Instead, with a little forethought and practice, and I know it takes a little bit of time to get used to, this is not a familiar way to teach, but once you get in the habit of using these ideas, it becomes second nature. So engaging in reflection brings meaning to the art making experience.